So we're really gonna start a scooter gang? Yes, we're gonna start a scooter gang! What's up, people? Luch here, coming at you on a workday Monday. And what we've got is our first oil change on our little Tao Motors Pony 50, people. And I'm gonna show you how to do it on mine right here. So stick with me and you'll see how to change your oil right. So check it out, people. It's real basic, real simple, easy peasy stuff here. All you really need is a drain pan, some carburetor cleaner, rags, and your oil. People, this is the simplest thing you can do on your Tao Motors Pony 50. You'll need a 17mm ratchet and socket. And if you'll come under here, you'll see right there, people, is the drain plug. It is the drain plug. And I'm going to show you how to get that out right now. So, hold on. Okay, people, check it out. All we're going to do is position our drain pan right under our drain plug. And then we'll take our 17mm ratchet. And we'll loosen it up, just like that. Until you can do it by hand, people. And then carefully, while not getting your camera wet, remove the drain plug. And you'll see there's a filter there too. Look at that, people. Now we've got about 100 miles, people, on our break-in oil. I know I should have changed it earlier, but I didn't. So, as you can now see, this stuff's pretty nasty. So it's a good thing we changed it now. So we're gonna let that drain and get back to you. Now. Okay, people, this is your filter. You're gonna wanna clean your filter with some carb cleaner. So all you do is spray it, get all that nasty stuff out of there. And you'll wanna do the same to your drain plug too, just to keep everything clean. If you have compressed air, it would be really great at this time to blow that out. But if you don't, just wipe it out and put it back together. Okay, people, once everything's cleaned and drained, you can reverse order install your filter. As you can see, this is how it goes in. Now make sure it's fully seated up inside there. Tighten up your drain plug by hand, and then you can use your ratchet to tighten it back up. Make sure you tighten it about 400 Newton meters. And now you can proceed to the fill procedure. Stay tuned for more. Okay, people, time to fill it up now. And we're going to use our Valvoline ATV UTV 4-stroke 1040 10W40 motor oil. It's a high grade oil and it will work just fine in your Tao Motors Pony 50. What we're going to do is fill it up to about 3/4 of its capacity, start it up and check it. Let's do that, shall we? Once you've started it up and topped off your level, you can check it and make sure it's right. And there we have it. People, this is how you change the oil in your Tao Motors Pony 50. We'll be back to you with more. Stay tuned. LuchaCabre.